Today is January 21st, 2020, talking about National New England Clam Chowder Day. The terrible tariffs are on hold. Grocery stores are making cocktails, yes. And Chef Alan Ducasse is causing a stir pushing wine during dryuary. Hey, welcome to the Culinary Courtesan Quick Bites, bringing you the down and delicious in gastronomy news. Fast, informative, yummy, while you're on the go. I'm Yolanda Shoshana. Let's dig in. Raise your hand if you love a good clam chowder. Well, this day is for you because today is National New England Clam Chowder Day. Chowders officially became a thing in fishing villages in France in the 16th century. The first printed recipe of chowder was found in the Boston Evening Post, dated September 23rd, 1751. Now, if you like New England clam chowder, the base is normally milk or cream, commonly made with potatoes, onions, and clams. Now, don't even think about adding tomatoes because in 1939, a bill using tomatoes in clam chowder was declared illegal in Maine. Don't get arrested now. P.S. New England clam chowder is usually served with oyster crackers. For those of you who are wine and cheese lovers, rejoice. The terrible tariffs are on hold or okay for now. Macron and Trump shook hands, smiled, and almost kissed babies in an agreement on a truce on the digital tax dispute. They will work together to avoid any raise in tariffs. This is important because France was going to declare a tariff on digital services, and the U.S. said, well, hey, we're going to take that and do 100% on French items, such as cheese, wines, handbags. The EU also got thrown into this for other issues, which would have meant that all wine from Europe would have been taxed 100%. Right now, we're okay and we can do a happy dance. For those of you who still like to go to a grocery store stores are trying to appeal to you by offering cocktails and beer. They know that if they keep you inside a little bit longer, you're going to spend a little bit more money. So Kroger's, Wegmans, Whole Foods are adding amenities like bars to keep you involved. They're adding pubs, so you can go get yourself a cocktail, relax, and chill, and then do a little more shopping. Now make sure that you have your ID with you because those areas are going to be off to the side to make sure that people only 21 and up can go in. No babies are allowed. Now, celebrity chef, Michelin chef Alan Ducasse is causing a stir because he is pushing his wine during dryuary. He is marking down prices and trying to get people to drink. If you go to one of his restaurants, you now can get sales on wine from Bordeaux and Bourgogne. Not bad to me, but some people say that's a problem. That's up to you and up to wine drinkers. What say you? I say get your bargains in. If not, it is what it is. Thanks so much for tuning in. For more on the information on the show, go to the show notes on culinarycourtesan.com. And don't forget to sign up for the newsletter to get all the goods in your inbox. Thanks for tuning in.